Hey, I'm back again with another video, and today we'll learn what is the difference between password value, password reference, which one is used in Java, and when how it works. So we'll see call by value versus call by reference. So Java 100% it's called by value only. Even though when you pass object, then in that case the reference of the object gets passed. And when you pass the value directly, such as int equal to I equal to 100 or 1000, it is passed with the value directly. But if you pass the object in the method while calling a method, the reference in the memory location that is gets passed. You can see here in the right hand side. So suppose there is a person object and this is value, and inside that object there is a variable name and its value is Tom. If you pass this person P to another method, then in that method whatever is the new object, that will again point to the same memory location. So it will also refer to the name is equal to Tom, and if you make any change in it, that will make change in the actual value. So it isn't so when we say passed by reference, it means the object is passed, the memory location is in reference. Let's try to understand it in a better way through this Java code example, where you can see in the process method an object is passed, and it is called from main method, and in the main method I am passing some value in the constructor of class foo, and you can see both while calling both refer to the same memory location or memory area. Foo in the right hand side where I am pointing the mouse, and at the bottom some foo, both point to the same memory location. So if any value is set or if any value is read, both will return the same value. So that's how when we pass the object it works. In this example you can see in call by value, so suppose from the main method I am passing the value of int a equal to 20, and in the change method even though I am incrementing it, that will act on the copy, not the actual value. So whenever I am passing the variable a copy of a is passed, and in that case the value whatever we are making change in it, that will change the copy, not the actual one. So if we'll print this at the bottom, it will print a equal to 20 only, not even though I am incrementing b, it will not change the value of a because it is passed by value directly. In the next example you can see in the class tester there is a variable number, its value is 5. I am calling the square method. In the square method I am doing the square of it, but since it is passed by value, so whatever changes I am doing that will be on the copy of number, not the actual number. So in the left hand side, if I'll print the first value will print 5, and the second value after square it will be 25. But in the main method from where it is passed, and if I'll change, if I'll print it, it will again return me the same value. Why? Because both points to the same different memory location, and it is just passed by value, not passed by reference. So when in the case of primitive, it is always passed by value. In this example you can see in data equal to 10, and even though after processing the data, if I am printing it again, the processing doesn't affect the actual data, so it works on the copy of it. So both the values will be printed 10. You can pause the video and see the example if you want. So today we learned what is passed by value, what is called by value, or what is called by reference. I hope this clears your doubt, and if there is any question on pass by value or call by value or call by reference, do write in the comment section. Thank you so much, and if we'll do more practice, I think it will be more clear to you in the real Java code. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe the video and subscribe the channel.